I'm meteorologist Rod Hill, and we have a wind advisory issue from the Weather Service for the entire Willamette Valley up into southwest Washington and the Coast Range. Now, this is for Wednesday between the hours of right smack dab in the morning, 7 a.m. until 4 p.m. Again, we're talking about potential gusts of 35 to 55 miles per hour. You know that brings down trees. That leads to power outages this time around. We also have all that holiday decor potentially blowing around. So be prepared. The watch warning map, as I mentioned, basically goes from the California border up I-5, turns into a high wind watch north of our area all the way up into Seattle. So this is expected to be potentially a fairly widespread event. Strongest winds 10 in the morning until about 3 in the afternoon. We're talking about east winds coming out of the gorge early in the morning, but then the main event will be the south wind gusts 40 to 55 miles per hour and maybe some stronger winds. Now understand, this is just one weather model, okay? And if I play this into about 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock in the morning, look at Corvallis, south of 54. Look at Salem. Could that be true? 71 mile per hour winds. And could this be true at 1 o'clock in the afternoon, 60 plus in Portland? Not all weather models agree, but be prepared and keep yourself updated.